Before we begin, tell me, what city are you watching this video from? And while you're here, take a second to check if you're already subscribed to the channel. Your support helps our message reach even more people. Now take a deep breath and get ready to shift your vibration. You were born to prosper. This isn't a coincidence. It's not luck. It's a law. The law of attraction responds to your energy. What you think with faith, feel with truth, and believe with consistency starts becoming real. Wealth is not just about money. It's about freedom. It's about achieving your dreams. It's about feeling good about yourself, seeing doors open, and knowing that life is moving in the right direction. But the truth is, you only attract what's aligned with your vibration. If you're vibrating in scarcity, if you keep repeating that things are hard, that nothing ever works, that money is never enough, the universe hears that as a request, and it responds, always. But when you begin to shift your mindset, when you start declaring, I am prosperous, I am worthy of abundance, money comes to me with ease, something changes inside. And when it changes inside, things start to change on the outside too. Prosperity isn't just about having more. It's about feeling whole. Remember that project you left behind? That dream you thought was impossible? They didn't disappear. They're just waiting for your vibration to align with them. The law of attraction doesn't work by time. It works through energy. When you start to think, act, and feel like someone who has already succeeded, the universe begins to align with that version of you. It's like a mirror. You smile, it smiles back. You express gratitude, and it gives you more to be grateful for. The key is consistency. You don't need to know how everything will unfold. You just need to believe that it will. Your job is to vibrate as if it's already yours, to feel gratitude before you receive, to act with faith even when you don't have all the answers. And then one day you'll look back and realize that the life of your dreams began the moment you decided to change your energy. Everything starts from within. Wealth, fulfillment, success, all of it. The law of attraction is always working. The question is, are you using it in your favor or against yourself? Today is the perfect day to shift your vibration. Today is the moment to claim your creative power. Declare it right now in the comments. I am prosperous. I am abundant. I achieve everything I desire. Because you can. You deserve it. And the life you want is already waiting for you. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's so much more coming to help you manifest the life you deserve. See you in the next video. With gratitude.